Tonight, dozens of people coming together to talk about the critical need of early intervention when it comes specifically to mental health.
The conversation comes in the wake of that deadly light rail stabbing and revelations the suspect, DeCarlos Brown, has a long history of mental illness.
WCNC Charlotte's Tarisha Woodard shares how an organizer is seeking solutions and pushing for change.
I was struggling with a lot of mental health issues, so I would numb it with drugs.
For Jessica Littlefield, the battle with mental illness once felt like a fight she was losing.
I would prostitute to make my income.
She says she was also homeless, misunderstood, and often met with fear instead of help.
People call for help daily. I just think people don't want to take the time to give them the correct resources.
This is a great day.
That's until she connected with Cedric Dean from Cedric Dean Withholdings Incorporation, an organization committed to helping those with severe mental illness.
Be able to identify the individuals that are in that severe mental illness category and be able to help steer them away from tragic incidents like what happened on the light rail.
Dean shared a local film that focuses on mental health with more than 100 folks who are struggling with their own battles, hoping to spark conversations around prevention, crisis response, and hope.
The first thing is therapy, getting people to be able to talk to individuals so that they could kind of vent in other ways versus on a city bus, and then we provide them with supported living and supported employment. We make them job ready instead of jail ready.
He says it's important to reignite the conversation about what happens when people in crisis don't get the help they need, and he's pushing for more resources to build safety nets. It saved people like Littlefield.
And that's what it takes in recovery, because it took me 15 times before I got sober. So if someone would have been one and done with me, I could have been still on the streets and I could have overdosed and died already.
Tarisha Woodard, WCNC Charlotte.